Let me paint a picture for you. You're ready to start your LLC, you've picked a state, you're feeling pretty good, and then you land on Louisiana's website and think, wait, am I in the right place? Because Louisiana doesn't look like the other states. The language is different, the system feels different, the portal name is GeauxBiz. And honestly, that throws people off way more than it should. So in this video, I want to slow things down and walk you through how starting an LLC in Louisiana actually works, what matters, what doesn't, and how to get it done without second-guessing every click. No rushing, no legal talk, just clarity. If you're new here, I'm Bobby Casey, founder of Business Anywhere. I help founders from all over the world set up U.S. companies remotely. Louisiana is one of those states where once it clicks, it's actually very manageable. All right, let's talk it through. First, the big question, why Louisiana? Louisiana is often chosen for practical reasons. Maybe you live there, maybe your customers are there, maybe you're doing real estate, logistics, services, or online work tied to the region. It's not a hype state, it's a functional one. The filing fee is reasonable. The process is centralized, and once you understand where everything lives, there aren't a lot of hoops. Which brings us to the most important thing to understand up front. Louisiana runs almost everything through one system, GeauxBiz. Think of GeauxBiz as the control center. Name searches, filings, updates, registrations, it all funnels through that portal. If you try to approach Louisiana the same way you would another state, that's when things feel confusing. When you start with GeauxBiz, everything makes a lot more sense. Now, before any forms get filed, you'll need to settle on a business name. Your LLC name has to be unique in Louisiana and include LLC, LLC, or limited liability company. You'll check name availability directly inside GeauxBiz. It's quick, but it's not optional. Louisiana won't move forward without it. And this is a good moment to zoom out for a second. Think branding, think domain names, think whether this name still works a year from now. Changing it later is way more annoying than taking a few extra minutes now. Once the name is cleared, you'll need a registered agent. Every Louisiana LLC must list a registered agent with a physical street address in the state. This is who receives legal notices and official mail for your business. If you live in Louisiana, you can act as your own agent. Just keep in mind that the address becomes public and you're expected to be reachable during business hours. Most remote founders choose a professional registered agent so they don't have to think about it again. All right, now we're ready to form the LLC. You'll file your articles of organization through GeauxBiz. The state filing fee is $100. If you file online, which most people do, the process is straightforward and you do not need to notarize anything. This is important. Louisiana only requires notarization if you file by mail. Online filings skip that step completely, which is why online is almost always the better move. Once the filing is approved, your Louisiana LLC officially exists. Now let's talk about something Louisiana doesn't require, but you still want: an operating agreement. Even though the state doesn't ask for it, this document explains how your LLC works. Ownership, decisions, profits. What happens if someone leaves? If you ever deal with banks, partners, or payment platforms, having this in place makes everything smoother. It's one of those do it once, thank yourself later documents. Next up, you'll grab your EIN or employer identification number. This is your LLC's federal tax ID. You'll need it to open a U.S. business bank account, hire employees, get paid by clients, and file taxes. It's free. It's issued by the IRS, and it usually takes just a few minutes online. Now, depending on what your business actually does, you may need to register for state taxes. If you're selling products, hiring employees, or collecting sales tax, you'll register with the Louisiana Department of Revenue. Louisiana doesn't have one universal business license, but cities and parishes often do. This part depends on location and industry, so it's worth checking early. As for ongoing maintenance, Louisiana keeps things fairly reasonable. There's no annual report fee just for existing, but you do need to keep your registered agent current and stay on top of any required tax filings. As long as you do that, your LLC stays in good standing. So if we zoom out and simplify everything, here's what Louisiana really looks like. You pick a name, you use GeauxBiz, you appoint a registered agent, you file online for $100. You skip notarization by filing digitally, you get your EIN, and you stay current with taxes and updates. Different system, not difficult. One last thought before we wrap up. Louisiana feels confusing when you don't know where to start. Once you do, it's actually very contained. That's why at Business Anywhere, we'll form your Louisiana LLC for free. You only pay the $100 state filing fee. We include your first year of registered agent service and handle the GeauxBiz process correctly from day one. If you want it done done cleanly without second guessing, check out the link in the description. All right, now I'm curious, is Louisiana a sure thing for you, or are you still comparing a few states? Drop a comment and let me know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.